Hello everybody. I wanted to show you today an interesting thing that I've found out about these master lock combination locks. Either the number or the letter. Um, these locks are supposed to be really tough. I mean, they say they're anti-shim, so you can't shim them and pop them open. Um, they've got your 4-digit combination here. And supposed to be superior cut resistance and weather resistance. They got this nice little flap, but this is a master lock Magnum. It says it's a M175XDLF. Comes with a lifetime guarantee. And what I found out about these locks is they actually provide a false sense of security in a way, because this is a brand new lock. In order to take it out of the packaging, you have to cut right here. Inside here has the preset combination and instruction sheet on how to change the combination and all that kind of stuff. Well, what if I told you you can open this lock without even knowing the combination? So as you can see, it's a brand new lock, still closed. This is the newer body style. So what I'm going to do here is show you how to decode these locks. Now, as you can see, it's locked nice and tight, and you see this black line here. That's the line you want to go off of. First, what you want to do is set everything to 0. Once everything's set to 0, you're going to want to take your fingers and you want to pull a decent amount of tension on the back. You can stick your finger in like that, your thumb, push up. And what you're doing is you're wiggling each tumbler here. See all this movement? I don't know if you can tell. See how you get almost like a 1/4 inch of movement? Is where the other ones don't move at all. This is a true gate. That means this end number is 0. Now what we do next is release the tension, so you can turn this number to the next one. And you can either do one by one or do the whole row. We know the end is 0. So I'm going to pull tension again. I'm not too sure about that. Let me just double check here. Oops. Alright, that's giving me a little bit of trouble there, but alright, looks like the second one is a 2. No. Looks like the third number might be a 3. So all we need to figure out is the first number. I mean, that can be pretty easy. You could just, if you're pretty sure your other number combinations. Alright, so we gotta go through here and double check everything. There we go. Alright, so that was definitely a 5. Alright, that's a 3. And apparently that one was a 2. As you can see, it's now unlocked. Everything's still intact. And, I spent a couple minutes on it. Practice, you'll get a lot quicker. I spent about, 6-7 minutes on that. The scary thing is this lock here cost, I don't know, between $15 to $20. It's a heavy duty lock. They got this nice, what do they call this? Octagonal tough cut shackle, for cut resistance. But I mean, why go through the shackle? Why go through the shackle? Why try to shim it when, all you need to do is decode it. So the code for this lock is 2350. And as you can see, it works just fine. So in my case, never opened, never cut open, brand new lock, decoded, and yeah, pretty scary actually. I think you lock up your valuables with this lock, thinking they're safe, when something as simple as that, and I have no lock picking experience, or I don't deal with locks. I mean, I wouldn't recommend using this, but thought it was interesting. Figured I'd share it. I do not condone any illegal activity with the knowledge you've learned here today, and I do not take any responsibility for anything that you do with the knowledge you have received here today. So use this knowledge wisely, and don't waste your money.